Cooking Together, a virtual feast. Connect your team virtually with this fun, interactive event where you'll be cooking alongside a celebrity chef in real time using the ingredients of their signature dish delivered to your door. The Chef. The event will be hosted by one of our celebrity chefs from the Live Cook channel. Depending on the size of the group, we will invite our master presenter to curate the event by engaging constantly with the chef and the viewers in real time. Delivered out the box and into your home. The ingredients. Teams will receive the locally sourced ingredients of the chef's signature recipe, which will be delivered to their homes prior to the event. Halal meals can also be arranged on request. Personalized meal box inserts. Included in the meal box will be a personalized letter from the CEO and a branded recipe card. We can also include gift inserts like a bottle of wine or a branded apron on request. The Cook. The chef will have 60 minutes to create their signature dish together with viewers, with whom they will engage in real time. Live Cook channel. The Platform. This private event can be hosted on a platform of your choice. Teams can also book tickets on our scheduled Live Cook channel. The Experience. Cooking together with a chef like a chef. Share a virtual feast together. Live Cook events, presented and produced by SA Chef Media and Team Orange Events. Contact us for more information on www.livecookchannel.co.za or email us on hello@livecookchannel.co.za.